morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.1 to 3.6 I have completed. This is the 7th exercise, optional exercise. In that 5 sums I have completed. 6th one is plotting it in the graph. That is simple only. You can try to do by yourself. This is the 7th sum. Solve the following pair of linear equations. So here we are having px plus qy is equal to p minus q, qx minus py is equal to p plus q. So here other than x and y we are having two more variables p and q. So we will be getting the value for x and y in terms of p and q only. Okay, so we will solve this. So first equation we are having qy, second equation we are having py. So if we multiply the first equation by p and second equation by q, we will get qp and pq. So that can be cancelled. So first equation into p. So if I multiply the first equation by p, I will get p squared x plus pqy is equal to p into p minus q. Okay, then second equation is into q. So q squared x minus pqy is equal to q into p plus q. So now if I simplify, here unlike signs are there. So pqy and plus pqy and minus pqy can be cancelled. So the remaining we get p squared plus q squared into x. This side I am having p squared minus. So when I multiply inside I get p squared minus pq plus pq plus q squared. Like this I get. So plus pq minus pq will get cancelled. So x is equal to p squared plus q squared divided by p squared plus q squared. So x value I will get it in 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. Initially I told we will get the answer in p and q, but if we are solving this we are getting it as a whole number. X is equal to 1. So this x is equal to 1. I will substitute it in any one of the equation. First equation itself I will substitute. So p into, it is given px plus qy is equal to p minus q. X is equal to 1 I got. So p into 1 plus qy is equal to p minus q. So p plus qy is equal to p minus q. So qy is equal to p minus q. This plus p, when it is coming to the other side it will be minus p. So plus p and minus p will get cancelled. Y is equal to minus q by q. So y value I am getting it as minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So x value is 1 and y value is minus 1. In sum is ax plus by is equal to c and bx plus ay is equal to 1 plus c. So first equation I will multiply by b. So I will get abx plus b squared y is equal to bc. First equation. Second equation into a. So abx plus a squared y is equal to a into 1 plus c. Okay. So now if I simplify this I have to subtract all the terms. So when I subtract plus abx minus abx will get cancelled. Here I have b square minus a square into y. B squared minus a squared into y is equal to bc minus a minus ac. So this term is minus a into 1 is minus a into c is minus ac. So my y value is bc minus a minus ac by b squared minus a squared. So I got y value in terms of a, b and c. Then this y value I will substitute it in any one of the equations. So first equation if I take, that is ax plus by is equal to c. So a into x plus b into y value is bc minus a minus ac by b squared minus a squared is equal to c. Okay. So ax plus, when I multiply this b inside, it will be b squared c minus ab minus abc divided by b squared minus a squared is equal to c. Okay, so this has to be simplified. So ax is equal to, so the whole thing I will bring it to that side. Okay, is equal to c minus b squared c minus ab minus abc divided by b squared minus a squared. Okay, so this is equal to, again cross multiplication, that is LCM. Denominator I will get b squared minus a squared. Then if I find LCM, I have to multiply the c with this b squared minus ac. So I will get c into b squared minus a squared minus b squared c minus ab. Since minus sign is there, I will put that bracket minus abc. The meaning for that bracket is that negative sign is common to all the three terms there after that, after the bracket. So this one's cross multiply, this one multiply cb squared minus ca squared minus b squared c plus ab plus abc divided by b squared minus a squared. So b squared c plus b squared c minus b squared c will get cancelled. Okay, so the remaining is ab plus abc minus ca squared divided by b squared minus a. So this is the value for ax. So this a is there here. That also we have to bring it down. Then if we are bringing that down, it will be 1 by a into, in all the terms in the numerator, a is common. So I am taking a out. Balance will be b plus bc minus ca divided by b squared minus a squared. So this a and a will get cancelled. So the answer is, x is equal to, answer is, we can write it as b plus bc minus ca divided by b squared minus a squared. In this further few things can be taken common. That is, if you take b as common here, we will get it as b into 1 plus c in the numerator, or we can leave it as it is. So this is the x value. X is equal to b plus bc minus ca by b squared minus ac. Y value is bc minus a minus ac by b squared minus a squared. Next sum is x by a minus y by b is equal to 0. Ax plus by is equal to a squared plus b squared. So the first equation, denominator a and b values are there. So that can be simplified by taking LCM. So if I take ab as LCM, in the numerator I will get bx minus ay is equal to 0. Then bx minus ay. This ab, when it is cross multiplied, it will be 0. So this will be my first equation. Okay, so first equation, bx minus ay is equal to 0. Then second equation I will write as it is, that is ax plus by is equal to a squared plus b squared. So in this, directly it cannot be cancelled. The first equation I will multiply by b. So it will be b squared x minus aby is equal to 0. Then second equation into a. So a squared x plus aby is equal to a into a squared plus b squared. Okay. So when it is added, plus aby minus aby will get cancelled. So here it will be a squared plus b squared into x is equal to a into, if I add 0 and this only I will get a into a squared plus b squared. So x is equal to a into a squared plus b squared divided by a squared plus b squared. So a squared plus b squared will get cancelled. So x is equal to a. So x value I got it as a. So that I will substitute it in this second equation. Second equation is ax plus by is equal to a squared plus b squared. So x value is a. So a into a plus by is equal to a squared plus b squared. So then again if I simplify this, again if it is simplified, a squared plus by is equal to a squared plus b squared. By is equal to a squared plus b squared. This plus a squared will become minus a squared. So plus a squared minus a squared will get cancelled. By is equal to b squared. So y is equal to b squared by b. You get cancelled. Y value is equal to b. So x value is a and y value is b. Okay. So with this, these sums are very important. With this I am completing today's class. Remaining sums I will do it in the next class. Okay. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.